Well, this past week we saw a quantum leap that could rewrite computer history. Google's Willow chip is touted as not just another technology breakthrough but an evolution in the way we solve some of the world's toughest challenges. Scientists around the world have been working tirelessly to push the boundaries of technology, and in the last decade we've seen some of the most groundbreaking advancements in quantum computing. But what if we told you that these developments have taken a turn that no one could have predicted? What if the very machines we built to unlock the secrets of the universe are now unraveling reality itself? The latest revelations from physicists and engineers working with quantum computers suggest that the fabric of space and time may not be as stable as we once thought. The very act of running calculations on quantum machines could be fundamentally altering our reality in ways we never anticipated. And the most terrifying part, there may be no way to stop it. For decades, classical computers have helped us model complex systems, simulate physics, and even predict the weather. But these machines are bound by the limitations of classical physics, where bits of information exist as either a 1 or a 0. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use qubits which can exist in multiple states at once thanks to a bizarre phenomenon known as superposition. This allows them to perform calculations that would take classical supercomputers millions of years to complete within seconds. Google, IBM, and other tech giants have been racing to build the most powerful quantum computers, and they've made terrifying progress. Google's Sycamore processor, for example, achieved quantum supremacy by solving a problem in just 200 seconds that would have taken the most powerful supercomputer 10,000 years to complete. This was a major milestone in computing history. But what scientists didn't fully understand at the time was that quantum computers weren't just solving problems, they were affecting reality itself. To understand why this is happening, we need to dive into the eerie world of quantum mechanics. At the quantum level, reality doesn't work the way we experience it. Particles can be in multiple places at once, information can travel faster than the speed of light, and things don't exist in a definite state until they are observed. One of the strangest and most debated aspects of quantum mechanics is the observer effect. Scientists have found that simply observing a quantum system changes the outcome of an experiment. This suggests that consciousness itself may be linked to reality in ways we don't yet understand. But here's where things take a disturbing turn. When quantum computers process information, they aren't just performing calculations inside a machine, they are interacting with the quantum realm, a place where the rules of our universe break down. And according to some physicists, this interaction may be tearing at the seams of space and time. At first, these anomalies were small, barely noticeable fluctuations in experimental data. But as quantum computers became more powerful, researchers started to notice something strange: reality glitches. Some scientists began reporting inconsistencies in experiments that should have produced the same results every time. It was almost as if reality itself was shifting in response to quantum computations. In certain high-level quantum simulations, researchers found that events appear to be influenced by future calculations. This suggests that quantum computers might be reaching backward in time, subtly altering the past to align with their outputs. Quantum computers have been linked to bizarre occurrences in physics labs, such as equipment failing for no reason, particles behaving in ways never seen before, and data appearing that should not exist. Some scientists now believe that quantum computers are doing more than just bending the rules of physics, they may be creating new realities altogether. According to the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, every quantum event spawns multiple branching universes, each representing a different possible outcome. But what if quantum computers aren't just passively participating in this process? What if they are actively shifting us between realities? There have been reports of people experiencing memory discrepancies, events changing in ways that cannot be explained, and even the Mandela effect, where large groups of people remember things differently than what the current reality reflects. Could it be that these shifts are the result of quantum computations pushing us between parallel timelines? If this is true, then every time we run a quantum algorithm, we may be reshaping the world around us without even realizing it. The most alarming discovery of all is that this process may be unstoppable. Quantum computing is advancing at an exponential rate, and every breakthrough pushes the limits of what these machines can do. Even if we were to shut down all quantum computers today, the changes they have already made to reality could be irreversible. The fundamental structure of our universe may already be compromised. But the scientific community isn't stopping. There is a global race to develop the first truly powerful quantum artificial intelligence, a machine that could think and operate in ways beyond human comprehension. Some researchers fear that once we cross a certain threshold, reality itself could be rewritten in an instant. We are standing on the brink of the greatest scientific revolution in history. Quantum computers have the power to unlock the deepest secrets of the universe, but they also come with risks that we are only beginning to understand. Will quantum computing lead us to a new era of discovery, or will it fracture reality beyond repair? And if reality is already unraveling, how would we even know? One thing is clear: we have entered uncharted territory, and there may be no turning back. Quantum computing has already changed the world in ways we never imagined. But the latest findings suggest something far more disturbing. These machines aren't just performing advanced calculations, they might be ripping apart the very fabric of reality. Physicists and researchers have been analyzing strange phenomena occurring in quantum laboratories across the world, and the evidence is becoming impossible to ignore. Something is happening that we do not understand. And the scariest part, it might already be too late to stop it.